friends, hi, hello, how's it going? I hope that you all are well today. Today I am unbagging my Ipsy Glam Plus. I just got done unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag X, and you all know that if I have Glam Plus and Glam Bag, I typically will do them together. Did I just call this Ipsy Glam Plus? This is definitely not Plus. This is the regular Ipsy bag. You all know that on every other month I am doing my Glam Bag and my Glam Plus together. This month was an X month, so I went ahead and did that one separately. That one does come with quite a few full-size items. It's really lengthy to get through, and I didn't want to bore you with doing which is the better value, that one or this one. Well, clearly X is going to be the bigger value. So I am here back with you to just unbag this regular Glam bag. For those of you new here, hi. My name is Donna. I hope that this sounds like something that you're interested in. I hope that I sound like something that you're interested in watching. I am a lover of all things colorful, beauty, and self-care, typically high-end, typically a little bit bougie about it, but always keeping it real with you. I deem myself your perfect partner in crime because I am an over 40-year-old lady who is out here doing all the things that they're telling me I should not be doing because I am just too damn old for that, and I am here to tell you I'm going to do it. You should too. Let's link arms in this and be our own people and do what fulfills our own souls and not give a shit what anybody else says to us about what should be and should not be done. That's what I have to say about that. I think that you'll find that I'm also a kick in the pants. I'm super fun to be around, and I hope that you'll want to subscribe before you go. But with that being said, let's dig in to this Ipsy Glam bag. This Ipsy Glam bag is the one that comes to you every single month. It's $12 a month. When it does come to you, it comes to you with 5 deluxe sample 2 full-size products dependent on what realm you're in, and it promises you at least $50 in like value. So I'm going to open this guy up and pull it out. It also comes with a bag, and that bag this month, oh, there's an extra product. That bag this month looks like this, and it is a cute, like really like pastel-y pink with like darker pink like roses on it. It does have a really pretty rose gold zipper pull on it. The zipper is also rose gold, but it's just a circle that says Ipsy on it. You open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside, and it does have a card. All Ipsy boxes, bags, whatevers have a card. Sometimes you get full price items on the inside, sometimes you do not. They all tell you what the theme of the box was for, or bag was for the month, and this month's theme was Flower Power. This says the brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin know-how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. Get this month's theme at ipsy.com, Flower Power, and this is the sample size bag, but it has all of the pricing information on the inside of the card, which always perplexes me, but it is whatever. I'm baffled at why the plus size does not come with full size prices when those are the full size products. But it also gives you like some information on the back of the card. It is about Mother's Day. There was a Mother's Day giveaway. It tells you how it works, and then it typically will tell you when to come back for your choice items. So with Ipsy, you do get to choose items that go into your bag. With the regular bag, you get to choose one of the items that goes into your bag. With the Plus, you get to choose 3 items. And with X, I also got to choose 3 items, I do believe. So with all of that being said and gotten out of the way, let's dig in. The first thing I'll talk about is this. This was outside of the bag when I pulled it out. They do come in these bubble mailers, and anything that doesn't fit in the bag, they just put in the bubble mailer with it. And this is by Complex Culture. We did get a Complex Culture tool in the X box as well, but this one appears to be a brush. So I am going to open it up. I love Complex Culture brushes. Yes, this is a brush, and this is a cute little tiny like detail-y brush. I love this. It's kind of got like a triangular head on it, which is interesting. And it says nothing on the handle of the brush. So it does say on the card that this is an easy crease definer. I can totally see that because it is pointy, so it is going to go into your crease and kind of, it does appear to be like stiff but not super stiff, so I imagine it would blend all at the same time. It kind of reminds me of the diffuse crease brush that Sigma has that I also own. This says, behold the brush to solve all your eye magic struggles.
Eye magic? Eye makeup?
Behold the brush to solve all your eye makeup struggles. This innovative 3-sided brush can be used to perfectly define your eye crease, smudge shadow along your lash line, and highlight your inner corners, aka you can create a full eye look with just this one tool. No, you can't unless you're washing it off between every single color, just saying. Just not something that I do. I do wash them in between every single use, but I don't wash them in between every single color. So this is a full-size brush, obviously, and this does retail for $18. So this and this alone pays for this bag, which I'm really excited to have. In the last video, it did say I have gotten several things from Complex Culture. It is a brand that continues to show up in our Ipsies as of late, but I do have several brushes from them. I do have an eye palette from them. I do have a face palette from them, and I haven't been disappointed even once by the items that are coming in our Ipsies from this brand. I really like this brand, so I'm not mad at that, and that is an $18 brush, and I am a lover of all the brushes. All the brushes, clearly. So I'm good with it. The next thing I have in here comes in bubble wrap, and it is one of their
My God, that's not even a word.
It is one of their little tiny quads that's supposedly full size that probably cost them $20. Let's see. This isn't full size. Oh my God. Imagine that. PYT Beauty Upcycle Eyeshadow Palette. This is the Warm Lit Nude Mini. It says, meet your new everyday, everywhere eyeshadow palette. These warm tone shadows will take you from day to night with ease. Each is formulated with nourishing vitamin E to keep the delicate skin on your lids hydrated, comfy, and soft. Comfy. Plus, they're vegan and cruelty-free. This is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of this is $28. Well, I'm happy to say that they promote this as a sample, because I, last month and the month before, I do believe, got a quad this exact same size and was told that it was a full-size item. You all know that it's not a full-size item. This is what that quad looks like. It's not bad, but again, it's probably something I'm going to put into my giveaway drawer. I never wear gold, and I probably have these shadows over and over and over again in my collection, so I just don't think that this is going to be something that I'm pulling for, so I am going to put it in my giveaway drawer. But it's a nice sample. It's a nice sample to get 4 eyeshadows in a little tiny mini. Yes, that's amazing. Then we have this, which is a Kokie full coverage foundation, and this is in the shade 40W. It says this is, the days of having to choose between feel and coverage when it comes to foundation are over. This formula is ultra lightweight and provides full coverage to hide everything from zits to dark circles. We love how the silky matte finish goes on seamlessly and lasts for hours too. This is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version is $13. That's not bad. Kokie is a drugstore brand. I do believe that you can get it at Target. I've had a Kokie concealer before that I just didn't love. This does look like it's probably a good shade for me, so I will go ahead and throw this into my sample spins, and we'll pull it in a Simply Sample series video at some point. 40W means that it's a warmer shade. I tend to lean more olive, but I have had warm shades in the past. I can definitely make it work for me as long as it's a light enough warm and doesn't oxidize. So I'm interested to see what this will be like on my skin. Not mad at that. Not mad at that at all. Then we have this, which is the Hibiscus and Balm Glow Lip Mask by Seraphim Botanicals. This is the item that I chose, and I recently have gotten into lip balms like no other. I bought a Pat McGrath one that you guys will probably see if you haven't already. I'm like, what? Who am I? A $35 lip balm? What? But I used to get them specifically for my daughter, but these days I'm also getting them for me. So today I'm wearing just a lip balm. The lip balm that I have on is the Sugar Rose Tinted Lip Treatment from Fresh that I think I did in a sample series not that long ago. So there's that. This is the Hibiscus Balm and Balm Glow Lip Mask by Seraphim Botanicals, and this is what it looks like. It does come in a tube, which I think is odd. It doesn't have like an applicator dude, which I also think is odd, but at the same time I really kind of like it this way because then it's not like unsanitary. You know, you're not like putting it on. And even with the applicator ones, I still push up the product and wipe it off with my finger and then put it on my lips. It just seems easier to do that way, and it is what it is. But this I'm really excited about. It does say goodbye to dry chapped lips with this hydrating leave-on treatment that truly lives up to its name. It's made with nourishing plant butters and soothing sweet orange and hibiscus extracts to give your lips a dewy glow. This is full size, and it does cost $25. Between this and this, you've already got a $43 value in this box, or in this bag, and I paid $12 for it, so I'm okay with that. I'm pretty excited. This last thing though, I'm just not sure. I do have a couple things also from contacts that I have received in Ipsy. It is also another brand that likes to come pretty frequently in these Ipsy boxes. I do think I have a lipstick by them that I actually quite liked the last time I tried it. Yep, right here. This is it. Pretty. It's pretty. It's not the most amazing lipstick ever, but it's a pretty lipstick and it's comfortable, so there's that. This is, however, a nail polish, and I don't typically wear nail polish very much, but I dang sure I'm not going to be wearing this color. Like, what is this even? What color is it? Is this like beige? what color? I do like the bottle of it though. The bottle of it's really pretty. It is called Body Talk. That explains it. It definitely is flesh colored. I do feel like it would be just a little odd to wear on my nails. This is full size and it is $15. So this says, this ultra shiny and chip resistant pinky nude color is about to be your new go-to for all your spring and summer occasions. Plus, this 6-free formula is made without some of the harmful ingredients found in many polishes. So it doesn't just look good, it's good for you too. And it is $15, like I said. So I did go ahead and put it on, and it's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's actually kind of just that simple but perfect shade, honestly. What I love the most about it, I think, is that it was super easy to get this on. It's actually got a pretty opaque first coat, which is all this is. What I would say though is it's gonna need probably a second coat. Down here at the bottom it does appear to be a little bit like, I don't know, streaky, so it will need another coat, but I kind of actually dig it. Who am I? I like color. Color is obviously something that I like well. With that said, I'd be interested to see how long it does take before it starts flaking and looking really awful. But because it's such a blushy color, a natural color, I don't think it'll be as apparent that it looks like trash when it does start flaking as it would if it were like a blue. So there's that. I actually kind of like it. I'm super excited to have it at this point. So if my camera changed, it's because my camera died. So there's that. Sorry if there's any discrepancies, but that lent me the time to paint this one nail. So there's that. It does appear to have dried really rather quickly too. I mean, it's not even tacky to the touch. I didn't leave fingerprints on it or anything. It dried rather quickly. So that's the perfect kind of polish if you ask me. Okay, so these 3 items here were almost $60 worth of items. So in addition to these 3 items here, I got 2 more items. So I'm really actually pretty pleased with this bag. This isn't as bad as I thought it was. I'm super happy to have it. I'm going to try it out. This is the item that I chose. So obviously, you know, sometimes I don't like the item I chose and I chose it specifically to give it away, but I do love that. This, I'm always going to be happy with a brush. This is going to go into my giveaway drawer. This I'm actually kind of curious about. I don't think that there's anything that I don't like about this bag. I think that the value is really good, and yeah, I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on this bag down in the comment section. And if you get Ipsy, what items did you get in your Ipsy bag? I would also be interested to know that. If you are interested in Ipsy but you do not have it yet, I do have a link down in my description box that gives you, you know, just the website to go to sign up. It doesn't earn me anything but points. It's not affiliated. I'm not going to make any money off anything. So there's that. If you're interested, it is down there. That's all I want to tell you. So yeah, cookies, that's all I got for you. I do hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that if you did, you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here. I also hope that you consider subscribing before you go, because I'm super fun to hang out with and you want to hang out with me more. And if you do that, don't forget to hit the notification bell, because I would hate for you to subscribe and then never have me showing up in your feed. So hit that notification bell. It's going to make sure that you see everything that I am uploading. I do upload content multiple times a week. I would hate for you to miss any of it. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I do appreciate you, and I hope that 2021 is treating you well so far. I hope that you and yours are out there and you are well, and I hope that you are loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, cookies. Bye, friends.